skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize,
but I don't think we should.
a spooky, scary skeleton shouts startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. Scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, 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 scary.